How to fix PS5 keyboard not working. First, you want to go into the settings. Then once you have gone into settings, go into system. Here you want to click on system software, shift system software, update in settings, and update system software. Update using the internet. This is going to be the very first thing that you have to do. The next thing that I suggest doing is checking if your keyboard is plugged in at the back of your PS5. If it is plugged in, then we can go back into settings and go into accessories this time. Then you want to go into other accessories, and right here make sure that your keyboard is being detected. In order to use it needs to be detected right here, and if it shows, then it means that all is well. If it doesn't, then the last thing that I suggest doing is going to be restarting your PC. So you can press, or sorry, not PC, PS5. So you can press on the PlayStation button here on your controller and then power, and you want to restart PS5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.